Ever stopped your sneeze like this? Bad idea. A normal sneeze can blast air out of your nose at nearly 100 miles per hour. But when you block it, all that pressure has nowhere to escape. So it shoots backward into your sinuses, your ears, and even deep into your throat. Tiny blood vessels can burst, your eardrum can get damaged, and in rare cases, people have actually torn throat tissue from holding in a sneeze. 1 second of embarrassment can send that explosive force straight back inside your head. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, just let it out.